Hi, in this video we're going to add the start and end screen sprites to the project. So we're going to open Visual Studio and open our Burger Pong project. And Solution Explorer isn't visible, so View, Other Windows, Solution Explorer. There it is. So now we can right-click on Images, Add Existing Item, and then we're going to navigate to our images, under Game Assets here. So we've got an endgame state is one of them, so we add. There it is. Right-click, Add Existing Item, and Start Game State, Add, and voila, there they are. Okay, so now we're going to create some variables up here at the top, and we need a texture 2D, and we're going to call that sprite start screen, and then another texture 2D, and that's sprite end screen. And then we need some position variables, so vector2, sprite start screen underscore pause, and then leave a space, and then another vector2 for the end screen, so sprite end screen underscore pause. Okay. And now initial position. Now vector2s have two different values, but these start screens and end screens go in the upper left at the 0, 0. So we're going to use a little shortcut here. So sprite start screen pause equals vector2.0, which we've seen before. So that gets us both our values at once. So sprite end screen pause equals vector2.0. Just a little shortcut. Okay. Now we need to load the images. So sprite start screen is equal to content.load, and it's a texture 2D, so less than texture 2D, greater than, open paren, quote, images, 2 backslashes, and then the image name, so start game state, and close quote, close paren, semicolon, and basically the same thing for the end screen, so sprite end screen equals content.load, less than texture 2D, greater than, open paren, and you get the idea. And close paren, and semicolon, and there we are. So then we'll save, and they're all loaded.